How to delete all comments on Facebook at once. In this video tutorial, I'm going to guide you the easy and quick way to delete all comments on Facebook at once. So do watch the video till the end so that by the end of the video you will learn how to do it. Now without any further ado, let's dive into the video. Before proceeding, make sure your Facebook app is up to date. If not yet, you can easily go ahead and open Play Store or App Store and search for updates of Facebook. If there is any, you can simply tap on update buttons and then easily update the app. On Facebook, you have to first of all log into your Facebook account and then select the three-line menu icon at the top right corner of the screen. On this menu section, select the gear icon at the top right corner, which is next to the search icon. Now on the settings and privacy page, scroll and then search for activity log. As you can see, under your activity, select activity log, which is at the first option only. Now on this page, you have to select your Facebook activity and then tap on the small arrow next to it. From this drop-down menu box, you have to select comments and reaction of the first option and then tap on manage comments and reactions option. Now on this page you will see all the comments that you have made on Facebook. So to delete you need to tap on particular comment and then select the delete button. You have to wait for a while until it is deleted. So on this section, if you wish to delete all comments on Facebook at once, you can simply select filters at the top left corner of the screen and select the categories. On the categories, you need to select comments and you will get all the comments here. So in order to delete it once, you can select all at the top left corner of the screen and select the remove button at the bottom of the screen. Now this action cannot be undone, so let's select remove button. And after waiting for a while, as you can see that we have successfully deleted all comments on Facebook at once.
So I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, then make sure to hit the like button. If you are new, then subscribe to our channel for more updates.